Ciao my friends, welcome to my kitchen. This is where I teach you easy recipes for everyday cooking. And today you are not going to believe this incredible dessert that I'm going to teach you how to make. It is a caramel apple upside down cake. That's right, you heard me, caramel. It is smothered in caramel sauce. If you love caramel, you are going to love this recipe. Anyway, I want to teach you how to make it. Pronto? Allora andiamo a cucinare. So to start, we need to make our caramel sauce. So we have our saucepan. We've got 6 tablespoons of butter. We just want that to melt. And we're going to add a cup of sugar. Okay, now that it's coming to a boil, we want to add our half and half. And just keep stirring until it all blends together. All right, and we want to add about a half a teaspoon of salt. And now we can take it off our flame. And now I just have a springform pan. So we want to take our caramel sauce and just add it to the bottom of the pan. Okay, so now we want to get our apples, and we just want to cut them into some wedges. So I'm just cutting the hips off the apple. And now we just want to cut them in 1/4-inch pieces. Okay, so now we want to start laying our apple slices in our caramel sauce in a circular pattern. All right, so now that our apples and our caramel sauce are ready, we're now going to get ready to bake the batter. Really simple, you don't even need any fancy equipment, just a bowl and a whisk will do. So first of all, we want to crack 3 eggs. And we just want to break up those yolks. We want to add some sugar. About a tablespoon of vanilla extract, about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, tablespoon of baking powder. All right, and once your batter is all well incorporated, now all we need to do is just pour it on top of our apples. And you want to be careful to kind of spread it all over. We don't want to move the apples around too much now that we've got them all placed beautifully. And then gently with your spatula, just kind of spread them out. Again, trying to be gentle, not to move the apples below. And now this is going to go in a 350-degree oven until your toothpick comes out clean. And I'll show you what it looks like and how to serve it when it comes out. Okay, so now that it's come out of the oven, I'm just going to loosen up the sides so you can see all this ooey-gooey goodness from all this caramel sauce. It's just unbelievable. It smells so great. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe. I hope you hit like and subscribe so that you get more easy recipes, everyday cooking from me. As usual, the directions and instructions are listed below. Until next time, ciao, ci vediamo dopo.